Welcome English, how to use the UnionBank virtual credit card and how to apply for that, so keep in mind that I'll leave a link to this website down description as well, so you can get to this website right away and you can see this is the virtual credit card. There's also virtual debit card. In this case we're taking a look at the credit card and you can see it's called UnionBank Lazada Credit Card. You can see there are a few product features listed and below that we have virtual card features. So your UnionBank without a credit card comes with a virtual card. This card is accompanied with a virtual card which you may view in your app, conveniently transact online without having your credit card with you. So as the name suggests, this is a virtual card and there are 5 steps to basically own one. Once your credit card application is approved, you will receive an email with your card reference number. Download the UnionBank online mobile app or log on to this website, which is their online banking website. Then click the sign up with my existing account button, then choose card reference number, enter the required details and follow the next steps to view your virtual card. Tap on this icon in the account details screen and enter one-time password, your OTP, to view your complete card to tell us details securely. Now if you need help with this, you can also just click here and you can get in touch with the live chat support, because an agent can actually guide you through the process of either getting your virtual card or using your virtual credit card and also viewing your details. So if you click on this link, you will then be redirected to the online banking section, and here you can basically log in using your details. And as we've basically see before, just do the 5 steps in order to then view your credit card details, and that's how to use the UnionBank virtual credit card. If this is helpful, make sure to like the video and thank you for watching.